What you making, DIYers? It's Walker with DIWHY.LIFE, and in this episode we are making a bamboo Shotski. We're going to make one out of natural bamboo like this one, and I'll also show you how to make one out of PVC pipe that looks like bamboo. If you're a fan of the Cohen Clubhouse, then he's got a snow ski that he's put like shot glasses in, and essentially it's a way for 2, 3, or 4 people to do a group, to take a shot as a group. This is a 4-inch piece of moso bamboo. It's actually a product we used to carry here at Cali, but we only got a couple poles left, and I found a few sitting over in the corner of the studio. So we're going to use these to make the bamboo version. All we got to do is rip it down the middle and cut it in half. So it should be pretty easy. I did find a couple places online that still sell this stuff, so look in the description below for those links. If you're not interested in shipping 8-foot pieces of bamboo around, and you want a more economical and more convenient way to do it, you can just use a piece of PVC or ABS. I believe this is a piece of ABS I picked up at Lowe's, my local Lowe's. They sell it in a 4-foot piece. Now with a 4-foot piece, you're probably only going to get 3 Shotski spots. They also sell it in a 10-foot piece. It's a little bit more. It's actually not that much more to get the 10-foot piece. So I went ahead and got the 10-foot piece and cut it in half. So with a 5-foot section, you can actually put 4 positions. And you can rip it into 3 pieces, and you can actually get 6 Shotskis out of a 10-foot pipe. So Andy Cohen, if you're watching, one's coming your way. I'm going to send you one. And if you are also, I'm going to have a bunch of extra of these, so if you are interested in getting your hands on one, please leave me a comment below. First come, first serve. We'll see what I can do for you. And here we go. We have the completed bamboo Shotski. Thing turned out awesome. I'm super stoked and excited to put it to good use. We also have the PVC version, which is actually a convincing looking bamboo. You would think that this is made out of bamboo. It looks really, really good. I'm really shocked. So yeah, either way you want to attack this thing, it still gets the job done. And I also found these super cute little shot cups with tiki faces on them on Amazon. The link is in the description below, and they fit perfectly in our little Shotski here. So yeah, bartender, hand me the tequila and we'll get going. Well, that's about all the time we have for this video. If you like this video, please hit that like button and subscribe to my channel. If you have any questions or comments about the bamboo Shotski, please leave them below. And we'll see you next time. Where'd my tequila go? That's what I want to know. Shit, I did it the wrong direction. I did it the f***ing direction with the hole. There's a hole in these.